Since Grok AI officially ended its free video generation, the entire creator community has been desperately searching for a reliable alternative. The biggest nightmare right now is figuring out how to create long, high-quality AI videos with perfect character consistency without being forced to pay for expensive monthly subscriptions. But today, that struggle ends completely. I have developed a brand new, highly effective workflow that serves as the ultimate Grok alternative. In this tutorial, we are going to generate a complete cinematic story, maintain flawless character consistency using tools that are 100% free and unlimited. The absolute best part? This entire workflow operates entirely on full automation. No more strict limits, no more subscription fees. Just true, free, unlimited power, combined with automation. Make sure you watch every second of this step-by-step guide so you don't miss any of the exact settings. Let's dive in. First, let's navigate to our computer screen. Here, our primary task is to generate the story. For this, I am utilizing Gemini. Following that, we have a prompts file, which you will find in the video description below. You need to copy the first prompt from here and paste it directly into Gemini, or your preferred tool. I have detailed the specific duration and style of the story required, which you can easily customize and alter to your preference. As soon as I press enter, our story is instantly generated and ready. With our story completely ready, the next step is to generate the visuals or images for it. For that, I will return to our prompts file. The second prompt here is designated as our visual generation prompt. I will copy this prompt, return to Gemini, and paste it. Once pasted, I will press enter. I have instructed the AI to provide at least 18 prompts, but you can customize this quantity to your needs. It has now successfully provided the image and visual prompts for us. Next, I will open a new tab, search for Google Whisk, and open it. As you open it, keep in mind that while we have our visual prompts, we might encounter an issue regarding character consistency. These initial prompts will not ensure character consistency. Therefore, return to the prompts file, copy the third prompt, and paste it into Gemini. Upon pasting, you will see that Gemini has provided highly detailed text-to-image prompts, specifically to generate our main characters. I will now copy the prompt for these characters, return to Whisk, adjust my desired aspect ratio, paste the prompt, and press enter. While that is generating, I will return to Gemini, copy the next character prompt, head back to Whisk, paste it, and press enter. Now, as you can see, our character images are fully generated and ready. You can review them and download the ones you find most impressive to utilize later as reference images. I have downloaded the 2 images I preferred. Next, open a new tab and search for the Chrome Web Store. Open the store and search for Whisk Automation. Open the first extension that appears and add it to your browser. Since I have already added it, as you can see at the top, you will just need to add it and then return to the Whisk website. Now, open the extension. This is what its interface looks like. If it is your first time, the language might be different. If so, navigate to the settings at the top. Change the language to English and proceed to open version 7.6.0. Now, looking at the interface, there are a few settings to configure. Before copying your prompts, you can select your desired aspect ratio and the image batch size. Next, I will copy all of the visual prompts we previously generated to visualize the story, return to the extension, and paste them directly into the interface. Interestingly, you can see that the extension automatically detects the exact number of prompts. It recognizes 22 prompts, even though my initial minimum was 18. The next step involves our reference images. We will upload the character images we generated earlier to serve as visual anchors. I have added both reference images here. Crucially, we must manually type the names of these characters below their respective pictures, so the extension knows exactly which character to inject into each generated visual. After verifying your settings one last time, initiate the process by clicking Start. The reference images are now uploading, and the system automatically begins generating the final artwork. It will automatically generate every single image and download them directly into a designated folder. This entire workflow utilizes full automation. I have fast-forwarded the video slightly, and as you can see, all 22 images are completely ready and downloaded. I will open them sequentially to demonstrate that every single image maintains perfect character consistency. You can verify the excellent quality across all generated visuals Every single image strictly adheres to the character designs without any structural issues, making them perfect for our use. The subsequent step is to animate these static images. I will open a new tab and navigate to Meta AI. We will utilize Meta AI to animate our visuals. You will need to create an account or simply log in with your existing Facebook credentials. Next, copy the final prompt from our text file and paste it into Gemini. Additionally, I will provide a separate file in the description containing detailed camera movements. Simply upload that file here alongside the prompt and submit it. Gemini will analyze the camera movements document and, based on that data, provide the precise animation prompts required to animate our images. However, there is a slight issue where it has added unnecessary prompt numbering and scene titles. I will simply instruct the AI to remove the scene titles and provide only the clean animation prompts. It has now provided the corrected output. I will copy all of these animation prompts, return once again to the Chrome Web Store, and search for Meta Automation. Add the top extension to your browser, just as we did previously. Return to the Meta AI website and open this newly added automation extension. Within the extension, first select the Frame to Video option. As we are animating existing images, click the Upload button to import all 22 of the images we generated. I will select all the images and import them directly into the extension's interface. As you can see, all the images we need to animate have been successfully uploaded into the Meta Automation extension. Return to Gemini, copy the animation prompts one last time, and paste them into the prompt box within the extension. As you scroll down, you will notice it has automatically paired each uploaded image with its corresponding animation prompt. Carefully review everything to ensure accurate pairing and prevent any potential issues. This extension will only function while the Meta AI website is active on your screen. Verify your settings and click Run. The system begins operating immediately. It automatically inputs the image, types the animation prompt, and initiates the animation process. Allow me to highlight a key point. Everything I have demonstrated, and will continue to demonstrate, is completely free and unlimited. This process utilizes full automation, drastically reducing manual effort. This is the true power of free and unlimited automation, and you can leverage it to its maximum potential. Our first animated video clip is now complete, and you will notice it has automatically downloaded to our system. The process continues seamlessly. The next image is automatically loaded, its corresponding animation prompt is entered, and the generation begins automatically. I will fast forward the video once again. All of our animated video clips are now successfully generated, with the exception of one clip which we can easily regenerate. You should review all of the generated video clips. If any single video does not process correctly or meet your standards, you can simply regenerate that specific clip. All of our videos have automatically downloaded. Moving forward, search for Google Studio and open it. I will close the previous extension. Open Google AI Studio. Here you will find the text-to-speech and music option. Open that section and select the Gemini 2.5 Pro TTS. Ensure you select the single speaker audio mode, paste the initial instruction prompt at the top, and then paste the full text of the story we generated right below it for the voiceover. Once the story is pasted, you can preview and select the voice character that best suits your narrative tone. I will select this specific voice and click Run to generate the audio track. Our highly professional voiceover is completely ready.
The morning sun spills over a terrace.
And I will proceed to download the audio file. Next, open your preferred video editing software. I am utilizing CapCut for this demonstration. Drag and drop the downloaded voiceover directly onto the timeline. I will perform some basic audio editing by cutting out the silent, empty spaces to ensure a smooth delivery. Following that, select the edited audio clips and group them into a compound clip. Our polished voiceover is now perfectly timed. Next, select all of your downloaded animated video clips and drag and drop them onto the main timeline in CapCut. Carefully synchronize these visual clips with the pacing and flow of the voiceover, ensuring the on-screen action perfectly matches the narration. Our final requirement is background music. Return to Gemini and provide a prompt asking it to generate background music that perfectly syncs with the emotional arc of our story. Gemini features a newly integrated Create Music tool, which is excellent. It will automatically generate a corresponding music track for free. Find this result highly impressive, so I will download it as an audio file. Drag and drop this downloaded music file into your CapCut timeline. Adjust the audio settings to include a smooth fade-in and fade-out, and significantly lower the volume so it complements rather than overpowers our spoken narration. Finally, navigate to the Transitions menu. Under the classic options, select the black fade transition, which provides an excellent professional look. Apply this transition across all of your video clips to create seamless cuts. The video is now fully complete, and you can review the impressive final results.
The morning sun spills over a terraced emerald valley like warm honey. In a small cottage with a roof of living moss, a young girl named Hana works at a wooden workbench. Outside, her companion, a giant fluffy red panda named Maru, snoozes in a patch of clover, his striped tail twitching at passing dragonflies. Hana isn't making toys or tools. She is a collector of lost light. She carefully pours jagged, dull shards of sea glass into a tray. Beside her, Maru wakes up and nudges a heavy iron pedal with his paw, blowing a rhythmic bellows that makes the hearth glow a deep, magical violet. Hana begins the work. It is slow and exhausting. She uses long metal tongs to hold the shards in the flame, her face glistening with sweat and determination. When the glass softens, she doesn't blow it into a sphere. She stretches it into thin, glowing crystalline threads. Hours pass. The sun begins to dip. Hana's hands ache and she fumbles, dropping a precious glowing thread. It shatters. She pauses, her shoulders slumped in the quiet shadows. Maru quietly trots over and rests his heavy, warm head on her knee, offering a soft, trilling purr. Reinvigorated, Hana returns to the light. With the precision of a spider, she weaves the cooling glass threads into a delicate, translucent lantern shaped like a blooming lotus. As the first star appears, Hana and Maru trek to the highest ridge of the valley. She holds the lantern high. The dull sea glass, now transformed by her persistence and the hearth's fire, catches the celestial glow. The lantern doesn't just burn, it hums, casting a magnificent, dancing aurora of colors across the entire valley. Hana smiles, her tired eyes reflecting 1,000 shimmering possibilities.